Dresbold. It's Dresbold time, guys. We got this thing super dialed in. It's ready to roll. So let's take a quick look at what we got here. On my unboxing video, I kind of went into the history behind the Dresbold, the Consul 224 that was imported into the United States by Leslie Dresbold Typewriter Company. Yeah, so if you want to learn a little bit about that, you can watch that unboxing video on this. But yeah, I polished this machine out, so it's pretty freaking shiny. I guess this is what it would look like new, minus the couple dings and nicks here and there, but there's hardly any of those around here to see. I mean, there's something right, that might be goo from my, yeah, that's just goo from the cleaning process on my hands. But yeah, we went around this thing completely, took it apart, made sure everything was working like it should. So we also lined when I got it, it was kind of clanky because this is a metal body. It's a little clanky. So take a look here, pop open the hood. I went through and I lined the inside panels. I don't know if you could see that. Lined all the inside panels. Everything that was metal got a lining of felt. And then I went around and I put felt dots. What I do is I take the sticky felt thing that I use to line the panels and cut a little strip, and then I'll take this dollar store hole puncher out, and if there's rattle points on the lid, we'll just quiet that up. And then on the inside of the lid, we did that too in white felt to match the case, and that seemed to quiet down a lot of the nonsense. But we went through this thing and resurfaced the platen. Has a touch control here. In the other videos, I told you guys these are the quick release carriage levers. You just pop those out and then the carriage pops out. But yeah, make sure that's in before we do a type test. But we will go over the top here. Now it has a margins system like the Royal Quad Deluxe, and that is this button right here. So you'd hold down the carriage release, and then you'll push that button, tick, and it'll set your margins, or you could hold it down and say you want your margin there, let go. It's got this cool little all tab clear button back here, paper release on the side. Very cool machine, line selector, and then the same thing on this side with the carriage release and the margin set for the left. So we'll do a little test on this thing. Now it is a little firm compared to, I'm going to put you in the other stand over here. Let's see if we can get it lined up nice how it wants to be. Yeah, that'll work. This has a touch control, but it is a little more firm than I would like. The Consul machines are super nice. They're 1511. I'm going to move this tray. I'll just do this. Make sure this carriage went back into its slot. But this thing is a beast. It's a heavy beast. What year is this? On these machines underneath here, you can see it's got a number 224 and then a serial number, and then preceding the 224 there is a number, a single digit, and this one says 5, which would make this a 1965. That's how they did this in the Zeta factory. Printed that. So we'll do a little test here. Dig out some papers. Unprepared, kind of just an impromptu thing. I was just putting this together, about to have dinner, decided, shoot, I'll just type something up on it. Feeds nice. It's one of those machines that you don't have to babysit while you feed it. It'll just feed right through. Let's get a little type test going here. Make sure that's on black. cool. That feels good. I don't like the single spacing. Let's try it on red, see if red works. All right. Very cool. Some of these are my typing, my technique errors, but yeah, we'll just pull this down and take a quick look. Hello, this is the best. Yeah, I messed up there on me. But man, these cotton ribbons are nice too from the Baco ribbon supply. Is this a pica machine? Hold on. Let's do a pica test. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Can you see that? What is this? Can you see? Elite type. Soup. Pica type. Strawberry's 10 characters. So if it fits in this 1-inch space, which it does, that shows it's a 10-inch or 10 per inch. So strawberry is 10, that's 1-inch pica type, 10 characters to the inch. That's how we do that. But yeah, Dresbold typewriters, this is literally the first line I put through this machine. So it just got put together and finished. Like I said, it's a beauty. Need to clean up the case a bit, but man, I am impressed. I don't know if this is my favorite typewriter. It is a good typewriter, but yeah, Dresbold Consul 224, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Talk to you later.